Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we're focusing on you. Yes, you, just starting out on your fitness journey. It can be intimidating stepping into the world of workouts, but trust me, it doesn't have to be complicated. Today, we're going to break it down with 5 super simple at-home workouts that are perfect for beginners. No equipment needed, just your awesome self and a can-do attitude. Let's get started. Alright, before we jump into anything too intense, let's get that body warmed up. We're starting with a classic, jumping jacks. They might seem easy peasy, and that's because they are. But don't underestimate the power of a good jumping jack to get your heart rate up and your muscles prepped for action. We'll do 3 sets of 10, taking a little break between each set. Remember, listen to your body. If you need to modify, go for it. Next up, we're targeting that core with a super effective exercise, the plank. This one's a total body burner, but don't worry, we're taking it nice and slow. Get into that push-up position, but instead of lowering down, we're holding it right there. Make sure your back is flat, like a tabletop. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. You don't want to spill. We'll aim to hold this for 30 seconds, and if you can manage more, go for it. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on that perfect form. Time to work those legs, team. Squats are amazing for building strength and toning those thighs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as low as you can comfortably go, and push back up. We're doing 3 sets of 10 reps. Feel that burn. Let's give those arms some love with some classic push-ups. If you're new to this, no worries, we can modify. Start on your knees instead of your toes. Place your hands shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your core engaged and back straight. Push back up to the starting position. We're aiming for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Remember, it's okay if you need to take breaks between reps. You've got this. Alright team, we're in the final stretch. Time for a full body blast with the burpee. This one combines a squat, push-up, and jump. Talk about a calorie burner. Start standing, then squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Kick your feet back into a push-up position, do a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands. Explode upwards in a jump, reaching your arms overhead. We're doing 3 sets of 8 reps. Give it your all. And there you have it, 5 simple at-home workouts for beginners. Remember, the most important thing is to just get started. Every step you take towards a healthier you is a victory. Stay consistent, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day. And most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more workout tips and routines. And as always, keep shining your light. Subscribe to Mr. Evolution of London and click the links in the description box below.